What goes better than some hot chocolate in this cold, cold season? Nothing. So here's our little hot chocolate in a jar. It is the festive time of the year, so let's get all fancy and make some chocolate spoons for our little jar here. I'm a sucker for dark chocolate, so I melted those and poured that carefully into a silicone mold. I actually thought of making some chocolate sticks, but AliExpress was once on time, so spoons it is. Once I scraped off the excess chocolate, I let it set for a bit. As these jars are going to be gifts, they should look at least a tiny bit cute. I fell in love with these cork glass jars. But before I put anything in, I checked how my small chocolate spoons would fit in and how much I could fill this up with. First, the jar gets a thick layer of brown sugar. Not that the taste is any different, but the layers look so cute. After that comes a decent layer of regular sugar. I covered the brown sugar completely. If I had some thinner tools, I actually could have made some patterns like those in those sand bottles they sell in touristic places. And won't be a hot chocolate without any cacao. Mine is pretty dark and has an intensive flavor, so when adding, you might want to consider how much you actually want to add. It turned out that with that much cacao, I should have added some more sugar. Finally, I put in my tiny spoon, but this is way too plain for my taste. So here we got some dark chocolate drops. Some mini marshmallows would have looked adorable here, but sadly I had none and my friend doesn't like them anyway. Speaking of my friend, don't forget to add a small note on how you should use this and fold that up neatly. In keeping with the festive spirit, it got some ribbon to hold it together. I placed the cork into its place firmly and made a simple ribbon for decoration purposes. I know this wasn't much of a recipe, but yet such a cute idea. This was day 6 of our advent calendar. Subscribe if you don't want to miss our next video. See you tomorrow.